Welcome back to the Car Collective, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of cars. Today we're diving into the luxurious 2025 Lincoln Navigator. Lincoln has always been synonymous with American luxury, and the 2025 Navigator is no exception, setting a high bar in the full-size SUV segment. The exterior of the Navigator continues its tradition of making a bold statement. It features a sleek, sophisticated design that combines elegance with a commanding road presence. Up front, you're greeted by Lincoln's signature grille, which has been refined to look even more upscale. The adaptive LED headlights and redesigned front fascia add a touch of modernity, while the overall silhouette remains as stately as ever. The Navigator's large 22-inch wheels give it a confident stance, perfectly complementing its premium look. Step inside, and you're enveloped in a cabin that feels more like a first-class lounge than a car interior. The 2025 model boasts upgraded materials with leather, wood, and metal accents that are impeccably crafted. Lincoln's focus on comfort is evident in every detail, from the 30-way power adjustable front seats with massage functions to the spacious second and third rows. And for those long trips, the available Revel Ultima 3D audio system ensures an immersive sound experience. Under the hood, the 2025 Navigator packs a twin-turbocharged 3.5-liter V6 engine, delivering an impressive 440 horsepower and 510 lb-ft of torque. It's paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission that provides smooth and effortless shifts. Whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating through city streets, the Navigator offers a refined driving experience, balancing power with comfort. Lincoln has also stepped up its game in technology and safety. The latest Navigator comes with the updated Lincoln Active Glide 1.2, which offers advanced driver assistance features like hands-free highway driving and adaptive cruise control with lane centering. The infotainment system now includes a larger touchscreen with enhanced graphics, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, ensuring you stay connected on the go. What truly sets the 2025 Navigator apart is its ability to combine luxury with practicality. It has ample cargo space, and with the power-folding third-row seats, you can easily switch from carrying passengers to hauling larger items. This SUV is built for those who want it all: comfort, style, performance, and versatility. So, is the 2025 Lincoln Navigator the ultimate luxury SUV for you? It certainly makes a strong case for itself with its blend of elegance, advanced technology, and powerful performance. Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to the Car Collective for more in-depth reviews and updates on the hottest cars out there. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.